Oh, hey, welcome to my bathroom. I'd like to introduce you to my hair. It's been about a decade that I have been dyeing it dark brown, box dyes by myself. It's just easy, it's a safe color. It's what I've always done. And it's about time that I dyed it again, getting to that point. I've always wanted to do a fun, really creative color, but I'd never have. Because I'm a professional, I'm an adult, blah, 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 blah. No more lame excuses. It's 2020 and the world is pretty clearly coming to an end, so whatever. I'm gonna go purple. Purple. L'Oreal Plum, to be exact. This doesn't even look like that crazy of a color. That's how safe I've always played it with the browns. My sister has convinced me to record this little experiment because if a disaster should strike today, then at least we can all laugh about it. What's the worst that could happen? If it goes that terribly, I'll just wear a wig. Without further ado, here we go. Magic wardrobe change. My friend told me to put Vaseline around my forehead to prevent the dye from getting on my skin. And in my many years of experience, I've never done this before. Remember, kids, always read the instructions. No going back now. Now we wait. What is it, bub? Oh, you don't like it? That's not a good sign. Almost used a yellow towel by mistake. That would have been bad. We'll have to dry it to see how prominent that is. Watch it be no different from any other dark brown that I've ever done. And I've made a big deal out of this for nothing. It's purple. Not even sure if the camera's really even picking up it that much. It's like subtle purple. It's like safe purple. This works out well for autumn. It's a good autumnal color. I am very happy with it.
Can we just talk for a second about how this looks when the natural light is hitting it? So much purple! So I wasn't truly capturing the purple in my bathroom lighting, but there it is, really standing out outside.